everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. This week, we're learning how to sign Wonderful Merciful Savior by Selah. So we're going to do this in 4 parts. Today, we'll learn how to sign verse 1 and verse 2. Tomorrow, we will sign the chorus and verse 3. Then on day 3, we'll walk through the whole thing. And finally, on day 4, we will sign with the music. Remember, I am left-handed. That means if you're right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there is a link to print off the lyrics. I'm using them because I don't know this song as well, so I encourage you to use them as well. And then finally, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, here we go. Let's get started. Wonderful, merciful Savior is how it starts. So wonderful. High 10, high 10. Ah, amazing. Wonderful. And then merciful, you're going to turn your hands. You're going to bring those middle finger out, and it's mercy coming from heaven towards us. Okay, so that middle finger is a little out, and then you're going to move those hands in a circular way like that. And then Savior, going to make some S's, cross your arms, bring them out, outline of a person. So we have wonderful, merciful Savior, and then precious, Redeemer, and friend. So precious. So for here, you kind of have your fingers split apart a little bit. You're going to start at your chin, and you're going to bring it down like this. Precious, precious. In this particular song, we are going to end up with claw hands quite a bit. Okay, so precious. Precious, Redeemer, making R's, and it's the same as Savior. Redeem, outline. And then, and friend, 2 hooks with your index finger. Hook one way, hook the other way. Friend. Okay, so from the top, wonderful, merciful Savior, precious, Redeemer, and friend. Okay, if you want to put and it's like that, but you don't have to. Who would have thought that a lamb? So we're going to assign imagine and then lamb, or think about. So for that, you have your index finger, and you're kind of showing like there's stuff happening in my brain. I'm pondering it. I'm thinking about it. Okay, so imagine and then a lamb. You're going to take your dominant hand, make scissors, go up your forearm. Okay, we're going to shear that sheep, a lamb. Who would have thought a lamb could rescue? Now, for rescue, we're going to do save. So we're actually going to make S's, save. Okay, so this is a sign for save, Savior. So in this case, we're just doing save the souls. So for souls, you're going to take your dominant hand, and it's almost showing like that little bit when you see a candle go up and you see that little bit of smoke. That's how you sign that one. The souls of men, we're going to do people. So we're making P's, and it's going out in a circular form. Okay, let's try that from the top. That's verse 1. Wonderful, merciful Savior, precious Redeemer, and friend. Who would have thought that a lamb could rescue, sorry, I just started with R's, but I remembered we're switching it to S's, rescue the souls of men. You, pointing to God in heaven, rescue the souls of men. That's verse 1. Okay, we'll do verse 2, and then we'll put it all together. So counselor. So for counselor, I like to imagine someone sitting at a table talking. Person. Okay, counselor. Counselor, comforter. Comfort, you're going to brush one hand and then brush the top of the other hand, another outline of the person. Comforter, and then keeper, we're going to do 2 K's on top of one another. Keep, person, keeper. Okay, so that line, counselor, comforter, keeper. Spirit, we long to embrace. Spirit, we long to embrace. Okay, so we, it's like this, shoulder to shoulder, want. Okay, so once again, pulling hands into that claw position. We want to embrace. Okay, some people here might sign accept, where you have your fingers out and you're bringing that in like that. I'm going to do embrace. Okay, we long to embrace. You offer hope when our hearts have hopelessly lost the way. You, pointing to God in heaven, give. G's, coming from heaven down to us. You give hope. Bending our hands, keeping our fingers straight. Hope. When our hearts, so you probably don't need to sign when, but that is the sign, okay? Index finger of your dominant hand going around your index finger of your non-dominant. Our hearts, so our is a cupped hand from shoulder to shoulder. Hearts. And then luckily, because this is a little bit of a tougher verse, but now it's nice and simple, hopelessly lost our way, we're going to do searching. Okay, so you've seized and you're confused and you're looking and you're searching. Okay, hopelessly lost our way. And then, oh, we've hopelessly lost our way. So for there you can say we, and once again you can be searching, or you can do we lost. Okay, lost, and then way, like a path. I know verse 2 is a little harder than verse 1. Let's practice it a couple times, okay? So, counselor, comforter, keeper, spirit, we long to embrace. You offer hope when our hearts, so our hearts have hopelessly lost the way. Oh, we've hopelessly lost the way. Okay, let's try that again. Counselor, comforter, keeper, spirit, we long to embrace. You offer hope when our hearts have hopelessly lost the way. Oh, we've hopelessly lost the way. From the top, verse 1 and verse 2, we can do it, we can do it, we can do it. Here we go. Okay, wonderful, merciful Savior, precious Redeemer and friend. Who could have thought that a lamb could rescue the souls of man? You rescue the souls of man. And then verse 2, counselor, comforter, keeper, spirit, we long to embrace. You offer hope when our hearts have hopelessly lost the way. Oh, we've hopelessly lost the way. One more time. One more time. Okay. Oh, wonderful, merciful Savior, precious Redeemer and friend. Who would have thought that a lamb could rescue the souls of man? You rescue the souls of man. And then we have verse 2, counselor, comforter, keeper, spirit, we long to embrace. You offer hope when our hearts have hopelessly lost our way. Oh, we've hopelessly lost the way. So practice that as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, I'll see you in part 2 when we learn how to sign the chorus and verse 3. Bye. I hope above all that wherever you are that you are healthy and that you are well. and that you always remember that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. I hope you have a great day. Bye.